Hi guys, Sandra Mateo here from Gitana Styling and the Fashion Entrepreneur Club. I wanted to come in and tell you a little bit about one of our latest products that is available on our Etsy store, and it is the model release templates kit. So this is a kit of PDFs and templates. So you get permission from models and talent to use the video, the pictures, the prints for marketing, for your website, for whatever you need inside the business, right? So this is good for fashion shows, for photo shoots, for if you have an event and you're doing video recordings, anything to do with video or image. This document is going to help you with that. The models are going to grant you permission or the talent, right? So you can film them, you can take pictures, and then you can use that content, on your website, on your social media, to create promotions, whatever it may be, right? So this kit brings 2 PDFs that are ready to go, one for adults and one for minors, right? That you can just print and use, right? And then there's 2 templates, right? I included a PDF with instructions to edit the templates. And when you download that PDF, you're gonna get 2 links in there for the templates. One template is going to be for adults, the other template is going to be for minors. And the amazing thing about templates is that you are going to be able to personalize it, okay, to adapt it to your business. So you can add your logo, or you can add your colors, change the fonts, you can add your business information, like the name of your business, your website, your address, or your email, whatever you want. So the document is personalized. So you either get, you get both. You get the PDFs that are ready to go. They're just generic, right? That anybody can fill out, and then you just add in your name or the name of the talent, right? They sign in and you put your name and your business name, and you can use, and they're totally fine. Or you can edit them and personalize them so they have your business logo and it looks more professional, and you can have your information so they keep a copy, or you keep a copy and they have the information and that kind of thing. So how do you edit these documents if you're interested in that? I did it on Canva. Canva is a platform where you create graphics and documents and things like that. And they do have a paid service, but for this one, you can use the free one. So if you have already a Canva account, you just click on the link and it'll open up and you can start editing. But if you don't, I included a link so you can open it up. It's basically canva.com. You can just go open a free account and then you can edit. So either way, whether you want to use the editable ones or the ready to go ones, it's a great kit to have for, like I said, fashion shows, photo shoots, video shoots, anything that you're gonna do with video or audio, right? If you're doing a catalog shoot, right, for your catalog, whatever you're doing, you can get the documents there. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Right now we have a 70% off promotion because we're just launching. Yeah, or if you're looking for anything else, we have different workbooks, planners, templates on the Etsy store that are gonna help you with your fashion business or beauty business. So let me know. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Thank you.